Hello, welcome to Cafe Helen. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the roast pork that you can serve to your guests, to your family, any occasion that you can use this. It's a very delicious one, and the best things with this is after you bake, um, you're gonna put it in the fridge, let it cold in the fridge for 24 hours or like 2 days after you, then you can slice very thin. So I'm gonna show you my secret, which is if I serve this in my buffet, they're really amazed how tasty is this. So now I'm gonna reveal the ingredients, my secret ingredients, and then you're gonna enjoy it. So here we are guys, so watch me step by step what I'm doing and you're gonna love it, and this is it. So okay, this is the pork. So this is the pork that I'm using, that you can buy this in any grocery. So today I have this, like this is almost 5 kilos in each size. As you can see, it's a big size. Okay, so this part of the pork, it's the, you know, the heads of the pork here in between. This is what they're using for, and they wrap it into a net for not open. But this one I gonna bake it the way it is. But first I gonna show you the ingredients I gonna use. And here, I'm sorry because I already mixed it, I forgot to do it. So I have this sweet relish, okay, and sliced onion, garlic. I have here, if you guys know the prune, I have the prune, okay, and I have apricot, dry apricot, and this one is, it's like a persimmon, as a Chinese persimmon, dry. So I gonna use this to just add on into the ingredients, and I gonna add more of this mix, but I will cut it. I'm gonna cut it. I don't need I'm just do it into half just to spread around. And as you can see, there is a dry one here, things. So you can remove that and just see, you know, the persimmon, the Chinese fruits, yellow, and they dry it, and I just mix it there. And the beauty of this recipe, because you can use any kinds of dry fruits, what you like to mix. And I marinate this because it was dry, to make it softer. That's why I just marinate it. So I mix it everything together, and then I will add 1 lemon juice, because the acidic, it's mixing very well to the sweet dry fruits and the sweet relish, because this one is a bit sweet, right? So everybody knows that. And then this one, I mix it anytime. I just put any kinds of dry fruits or dry stuff that you have in your kitchen. And here I gonna even put a raisin, because the fruitery of this one is the best. So I just put like a handful of the sun-dried raisin, and I put the nuts, like a pine nuts, or you can put the walnuts, almond, pecan, use whatever you wish. And then if you guys know, this is an onion nor bran. Like you can use any kind of bran as long as it's a chicken onion base. Just to add on into this one, and you mix it. I will add black pepper. That's it. See, garlic, onion, dry fruits, any kinds of dry fruits you want, you put it. Or any kinds of dry nuts, you put it. But I'm adding with this one because this is also a little bit more sweet, and I'm just gonna put maybe like 3 tablespoons because this one is big, and as you can see, I never put any amount, quantity, how much is it, because this one is just, I'm using eye to eye because I've been doing this for a while, and as I show you how much the quantity I'm putting. Okay, so this one I'm gonna mix it very well, and then there's one thing I have to add this. The bee leaf also. If you want it also, which is I like to put, you know, the mini sweet cucumber pickle, I just gonna add just a tiny one, and I will put the juice. You see, as you can see, like just to add on the liquid. And trust me, this guy, I don't even put salt yet, right? But before I do that, I have to taste it first. See? And the sourness of the lemon and the mix of the honey, garlic, and more spicy in here, or you know, so this thing is not enough salt, so either I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of salt, doesn't matter, that's it. Okay, because this one has even a little bit salty. Don't worry about it because this one, it's good, the taste to get inside. And I'm gonna marinate this, and I will pick this tomorrow. So you see, you marinate it first the way I want it, something like this. And then tomorrow when I bake it, I gonna turn this upside down. So this is it, okay? Again, oh my god, guys, this is really really delicious. The way I do is just tomorrow I don't put any extra water because this pork, it's making their own juice. So when you bake this, the juice is up to here. So that's the reason why after you bake it, leave it in the fridge for 24 hours before you remove this, and then you slice very 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 thin, and then you can see also the fat became harder. You can easily to remove the fat. So then when you are slice this, just leave it in the same pan with the liquid itself, Trust me, you will enjoy it. And see how easy is this? Very, very easy and simple. And you have nothing to worry about it because as I said, I don't mind to do just like this. And tomorrow I will turn this upside down, and I will put the sauce. Voila! You see how beautiful is it? Don't bother about it, because tomorrow before you bake it, you turn upside down, then cover with aluminum foil, and there we go. You can bake it the way it is. For this size, 350 for 5 hours. Trust me, 5 hours, 350, it's the best. And very, very tender and so delicious. So before I cover this, I will add into a saran wrap. Because the salt you see, I just put the saran wrap like that because the salt or the acidic from this, if you put the aluminum foil, it's making a hole. So you don't want that because they contaminate the aluminum into the acid. So cover with the saran wrap, and then when you're ready to bake, you just remove this and continue cover. Bake this with aluminum foil the same way for 5 hours. Oven is 350. So this one is okay because tomorrow I can change another foil. So there we go. This is ready to bake. So give me any comments or question if you wish. I would love to give you an answer. As you can see, this is ready to bake. Tomorrow, because this is 5 hours and I'm closing my shop, so there's no time for me to bake this. But it's the best things to marinate 24 hours first before, or 12 hours as you wish, and then you bake it, and there we go, and you're gonna enjoy this one. So friends, whoever tastes my pork, roast pork, this is it. It's so simple. You can put any kinds of ingredients in this, as long as the secret one is my lemon juice. Okay, ciao, and take care, you guys, and happy family. So this is good to serve for Valentine's dinner if you can able to do it, or any kinds of party in the buffet. There we go. Ciao.